Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, welcome back to our English class now. How are you today? Okay, I hope you are all fine. And nice to meet you again. In this nice occasion, we will talk about KD2 ya. The topic is expressing willingness. Jadi kita masih membahas KD2. Topiknya adalah expressing willingness, mengungkapkan kemauan. So, we will learn how to express willingness, how to express unwillingness, and how to ask willingness and the response. Jadi kita akan mempelajari bagaimana mengungkapkan kemauan. Ya, ini pakai will ya, or be willing to. Ini maknanya mau. Will mau, be willing to juga mau. And bagaimana mengungkapkan ketidakmauan. Ini pakai will not. Will not itu negatifnya will ya, atau disingkat won't. Will not or won't, tidak mau. Or be not willing to, tidak mau. Dan yang ketiga, menanyakan kesediaan atau kemauan dan responnya. Ini pakai will bla bla bla. Maukah bla 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 ya. Or be subject willing to, maukah bla bla bla. Okay, everybody, the objectives of our learning today are, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah 1. You can identify the expressions of willingness. Kamu harus bisa mengidentifikasi ungkapan kemauan. 2. You can identify the expressions of unwillingness. Kamu harus bisa mengidentifikasi ungkapan ketidakmauan. 3. You can identify the expressions of asking willingness and its response. Kamu harus bisa mengidentifikasi ungkapan menanyakan kemauan dan responnya. Number 4, you can apply the expressions of willingness. Kamu harus bisa menggunakan atau menerapkan ungkapan kemauan. 5, you can apply the expressions of unwillingness. Kamu harus bisa menggunakan atau menerapkan ungkapan ketidakmauan. And 6, you can apply the expressions of asking willingness and its response. Kamu harus bisa menerapkan atau menggunakan ungkapan-ungkapan menanyakan kemauan dan responnya. And now you will have some dialogues ya. Listen and say. You can repeat after me. Dialogue 1. Udin, will you help me bring this book? Sure. Nah, the boy said ya. Anak laki-laki ini berkata, Udin, maukah kamu membantuku membawakan buku ini? And Udin's response is sure. What do you think, everybody? Will Udin help his friend to bring the book? Maukah Udin membantu temannya membawakan buku? Right. He will. Dia mau ya. Why? Because his response is sure. Karena respon dia sure, tentu. Jadi tentu di sini punya makna mau. Ya. Dialogue 2. Dayu, you pass by Udin's house, don't you? Will you give this note to him, please? Of course, I will. Nah, ini ya. The girl said, Dayu, kamu melewati rumahnya Udin bukan? Maukah kamu memberikan catatan ini kepadanya? And the response is, of course, I will. What do you think? Ya, will Dayu give the note to Udin? Maukah Dayu memberikan catatan kepada Udin? Right, she will. Dia mau ya. Why? Because her response is of course. Karena responnya of course, tentu. I will, aku mau. Okay, dialogue 3. Siti, I have to see the principal now. Will you buy me iced tea, please? Sure. With or without sugar? What do you think? Will Siti buy iced tea for her friend? Maukah Siti membelikan es teh untuk temannya? Right, she will. Dia mau ya, because her response is sure. Dialogue number 4. Penny, will you close the window, please? Certainly, sir. Nah, ini ya, the teacher said, Penny, maukah kamu menutup jendela? And Penny's response is certainly, sir. Nah, what do you think? Will Penny close the window? Maukah Penny menutup jendela? Right, he will. Dia mau ya. Number 5. Edo, will you do this for me please? I'll make the table. Yes, Mom, I will. Nah, Edo's mother ini berkata, maukah kamu melakukan ini untukku? Aku mau menata meja. And Edo's response is, yes, Mom, I will. Yeah, so from this dialogue we can say that Edo will help his mother, ya. Edo mau membantu ibunya. Because his response is, yes, Mom, I will. Dialogue number 6. Lina, sorry, I cannot come on time to the meeting. You can? I know you can. You just will not do it. Oke, ya, Lina, maaf, aku tidak dapat datang tepat waktu pada pertemuan. And then responnya Lina, kamu tidak dapat? Aku tahu kamu dapat. Kamu hanya tidak mau melakukannya. Oke, dialogue number 7. Will you sing an English song in Miss Nina's birthday? I know you can. Okay, I will, but why not you? You can sing too, can you? Ini ya, the boy said ya, will you sing an English song in Miss Nani's birthday? Maukah kamu menyanyikan lagu bahasa Inggris pada ulang tahunnya Miss Nani? I know you can. Aku tahu kamu dapat. And then the girl's response is, okay, I will, but why not you? You can sing too, can you? Okay, what do you think, everybody? Will the girl sing an English song in Miss Nani's birthday? Right, she will, yeah. She will sing an English song in Miss Nani's birthday. Number 8. Siti, I think you can ask me the question in English. I'm not sure, but I will try. And ini, the boy said. Siti, aku rasa kamu bisa bertanya padaku pertanyaan-pertanyaan dalam bahasa Inggris. Ya, and then Siti's respond, I'm not sure, but I will try. Ya, from this dialogue we can say that Siti is not sure that she can ask the question in English, but she will try. Ya, but she will try. Dia mau mencoba, gitu ya. Okay, everybody. Now you will have some monologues, ya. Kamu akan mempelajari atau membaca beberapa monolog ini ya. One, ini he is Adnan ya. Adnan said, my mom is out of town today. My dad is also very busy, but he will come to school to collect my report. He will always care with me. He won't make me sad. Nah ya, my mom is out of town today. Ibuku keluar kota hari ini. My dad is also very busy. Ayahku juga sangat sibuk. But he will come to school to collect my report. Tapi dia mau datang ke sekolahku untuk mengumpulkan rapotku. He will always care with me. Dia akan selalu dia mau peduli padaku ya. He won't make me sad. Dia tidak mau membuatku sedih. Okay, everybody ya. From the text ya, according to Adnan we can say that, nah berdasarkan Adnan ini kita dapat menyimpulkan bahwa ya, his dad will come to school to collect his report. His dad will always care with him. His dad will not make him sad. Ya, ayahnya mau datang ke sekolah untuk mengumpulkan rapotnya. Ya, ayahnya mau selalu peduli padanya. Dan ayahnya tidak mau membuat dia sedih. Okay, everybody. Two, ya, he is Ladan, ya. Ladan said, my aunt is always angry with my cousin Lucy. She makes a mess, but she will not do the cleaning. She will not even clean her own room. She is not willing to help her mother with the housework. Nih, Ladan ini berkata, anak-anak ya, my aunt is selalu marah pada saudara sepupuku Lucy. She makes a mess. Dia itu membuat kacau, ya, membuat berantakan. But she will not do the cleaning. Tapi dia tidak mau membersihkan. She will not even clean her own room. Dia bahkan tidak mau membersihkan ruang kamarnya sendiri. She is not willing to help her mother with the housework. Dia tidak mau membantu ibunya dengan pekerjaan-pekerjaan rumah. Okay, everybody, what do you think? How is Lucy? Right, Lucy is lazy, ya. She is naughty. Dia anak yang nakal, ya. Because she will not help her mother. Karena dia tidak mau membantu ibunya. Nah, according to Lathan, we can say that Lucy will not do the cleaning. Lucy will not even clean her own room. Lucy is not willing to help her mother with the housework. Okay, clear everybody? Right. The next, he is Gunawan, ya. Gunawan said, my uncle paints his own house. When he has time, he will also paint our house too. He is willing to make our house beautiful. Pamanku mengecat rumahnya sendiri. Ketika dia punya waktu, dia mau juga mengecat rumah kami. Dia mau membuat rumah kami menjadi cantik. Yeah, so Gunawan is a good man, yeah. According to Gunawan, we can say that his uncle will paint Gunawan's house when he has time. His uncle is willing to make Gunawan's house beautiful. Next. Okay, she is Dia. Dia said, my brother loves sport. He thinks that exercise is the best way to be healthy. For his health, he will walk 2 kilometers to his office every day. Sometimes he will ride his bicycle to his office. He is not willing to drive his car to his office. Nah, saudara laki-lakiku mencintai olahraga. Dia pikir bahwa olahraga adalah cara yang terbaik untuk menjadi sehat. Untuk kesehatannya, dia mau berjalan 2 km ke kantor setiap hari. Kadang-kadang dia mau mengendarai sepedanya ke kantornya. Dia tidak mau mengendarai mobil ke kantornya. Oke, ya, according to Dia, we can say that her brother will walk 2 kilometers to his office every day. Sometimes her brother will ride his bicycle to his office. Her brother is not willing to drive his car to his office. Next, she is Puspita. Puspita said, if you need help with your laundry, please let me know. I will come to your house to help you. I will help you wash your clothes. I am also willing to help you iron them. Jika kamu membutuhkan bantuan dengan masalah cucian, ya, tolong beritahu aku. I will come to your house. Aku mau datang ke rumahmu to help you, untuk membantumu. Aku mau membantumu mencucikan baju-bajumu. Aku juga mau membantumu menyetrika mereka. Ya, Puspita is a good friend, ya, teman yang baik ini, ya. Okay, according to Puspita, we can say that she will come to my house to help me. She will help me wash my clothes. She is also willing to help me iron them. Okay, next, she is Debbie. Yeah, Debbie said, I will get up early. I will go swimming at 6, but I should go home before 10. But my brother and my sister will not get up early. They are not willing to go swimming with me. They are willing to stay at home and just watch TV. Nah, Davis berkata, ya, aku mau bangun lebih awal. Aku mau pergi berenang jam 6, tapi aku seharusnya pulang sebelum jam 10. Tetapi saudara laki-lakiku dan saudara perempuanku tidak mau bangun lebih awal. Mereka tidak mau pergi berenang denganku. Mereka mau tinggal di rumah dan hanya nonton TV. Okay, according to Devi, yeah, we can say that she will get up early. She will go swimming at 6. Her brother and her sister will not get up early. Her brother and her sister are not willing to go swimming with her. They are willing to stay at home and just watch TV. Okay, everybody? Next, she is Mrs. Wieke. Mrs. Wieke said, with good examples from their parents, I'm sure the students will become good students. They will be disciplined. They will respect the teachers. They will obey the school regulation. They are not willing to break the school regulation. According to Mrs. Wieke, with good examples from their parents, dengan contoh-contoh yang baik dari orang tua mereka, I'm sure the students will become good students. Aku yakin anak-anak akan menjadi murid-murid yang baik. Anak-anak mau menjadi murid yang baik, ya. They will be disciplined. Mereka mau disiplin. They will respect the teachers. Mereka mau menghormati guru-gurunya. They will obey the school regulation. Mereka mau mentaati peraturan sekolah. They are not willing to break the school regulation. Mereka tidak mau melanggar peraturan sekolah. Okay, everybody, according to Mrs. Wieke, we can say that the students will become good students. The students will be disciplined. The students will respect the teachers. The students will obey the school regulation. The students are not willing to break the school regulation. Next, she is Mrs. Wulandari. Mrs. Wulandari said, the little boy is very spoiled. He will not stop crying before her mother buys him the toy he wants. He is not willing to eat by himself. He will ask for anything he wants. He is not willing to share his toys with others. Nah, Mrs. Wulandari berkata, the little boy is very spoiled. Anak laki-laki kecil itu sangat manja. He will not stop crying before her mother buys him the toy he wants. Dia tidak mau berhenti menangis sebelum ibunya membelikan dia mainan yang dia inginkan. He is not willing to eat by himself. Dia tidak mau makan sendiri. He will ask for anything he wants. Dia mau meminta apapun yang dia inginkan. He is not willing to share his toys with others. Dia tidak mau berbagi main-mainan dengan temannya. Okay, according to Mrs. Wulandari, we can say that, the boy will not stop crying before her mother buys him the toy he wants. He is not willing to eat by himself. He will ask for anything he wants. He is not willing to share his toys with others. Okay, everybody. Now you will have two dialogues, You will have two dialogues again. Dialogue 1, it is the dialogue between Anton and Tony. Anton, hi Tony, how are you? Tony, I am fine. What are you doing here? Anton, I will help my mother prepare my party. Tony, party? Anton, yes, my birthday party. Tony, oh, I forget. Tomorrow you will celebrate your birthday, right? Anton, yes. Will you come to my birthday party? Tony, of course, I am willing to come with my friend. Anton, thanks, you are my best friend. Okay, everybody, from the dialogue, we can say that Anton will help his mother prepare his party. Jadi Anton ini mau membantu ibunya untuk menyiapkan pestanya. And Anton will celebrate his birthday tomorrow. Anton mau merayakan hari ulang tahunnya besok. And Tony is willing to come with his friend. Tony mau datang dengan temannya. Dialogue 2. This is the dialogue between Minda and Rendra. Winda, I am tired. Will you print this report, please? Rendra, sorry, Win, I'm willing to buy my lunch. Winda, are you willing to buy me one too? Rendra, sure. Winda, thanks Rendra. Rendra, you're welcome. Okay, everybody, yeah. From this dialogue, we can say that Rendra here will not help Winda to print the report. Jadi Rendra ini tidak mau membantu Winda untuk mengeprintkan laporannya. Why? Kenapa? Because he is willing to buy his lunch. Dia mau membeli makan siangnya. And Rendra also is willing to buy one for Winda, ya. Jadi Rendra ini juga mau membelikan makan siang untuk Winda juga. Okay, everybody, ya. From the dialogues and monologues, ya, we can make a conclusion. Jadi dari dialog-dialog tadi dan monolog-monolog tadi kita bisa menarik kesimpulan bahwa to express willingness, we have two patterns. We have two ways. Kita punya dua cara, ya, untuk mengungkapkan kemauan. The first, kita pakai will, ya, polanya subjek, will, verb 1, anak-anak, ya. Subjek, will, verb 1. For example, I will study to prepare the test. Aku mau belajar untuk menyiapkan tes. You will clean the class, ya. She will cook soup for me. They will have a test. Anton will come to my house. Tony and Rudy will join the competition. Jadi subjeknya ini I, you, she, they, Anton, Tommy and Rudy. Kemudian will, anak-anak, ya, will. Kemudian sesudah will ini verb 1. Ini study, verb 1. Clean, verb 1. Cook, verb 1. Have, verb 1. Come, verb 1. Join juga verb 1. Okay, everybody clear? Good. And then the second pattern, pola yang kedua pakai be willing to, ya, subjek be, be-nya ini bisa am, are atau is, ya, depends on the subject, tergantung dari subjeknya. Kemudian willing to, sesudah itu verb 1. For example, I am willing to study to prepare the test. I pakai am, willing to, kemudian study verb 1, ya. You are willing to clean the class. You are, ya. She is willing to cook soup for me. She pakai is. They are willing to have a test. They are. Anton is willing to come to my house. Anton is, ya. Tommy and Rudy are willing to join the competition. Nah, Tommy and Rudy jamak, ya. Jadi pakai are. Oke. To express unwillingness, untuk mengungkapkan ketidakmauan, there are also two ways. Ada dua cara juga, ya. Yang pertama, ya, the first, subjek will not atau won't, verb 1. For example, I will not study to prepare the test. Aku tidak mau belajar untuk menyiapkan tes. You will not clean the class. She will not cook soup for me. They will not have a test. Anton will not come to my house. Tommy and Rudy will not join the competition. And the second pattern, pola yang kedua pakai be not willing to, ya, subjek be not willing to, verb 1. For example, I am not willing to study to prepare the test. You are not willing to clean the class. She is not willing to cook soup for me. They are not willing to have a test. Anton is not willing to come to my house. Tommy and Rudy are not willing to join the competition. And to ask willingness, untuk menanyakan kemauan, there are also two ways. Ada dua cara juga, ya. The first, will, subjek, verb 1. For example, will you study to prepare the test? Will you clean the class? Will she cook soup for me? Will they have a test? Will Anton come to my house? Will Tommy and Rudy join the competition? And the second pattern, be subject willing to, verb 1. For example, are you willing to study to prepare the test? Be-nya are, ya. Subjeknya you, willing to, and then study verb 1. Are you willing to clean the class? Is she willing to cook soup for me? Are they willing to have a test? Is Anton willing to come to my house? Are Tommy and Rudy willing to join the competition? And the response. The response, ya, there are many expressions. Ada banyak ungkapan, ya. Ini, for example, we can say, of course, tentu. Ini maknanya mau, ya, tentu. Jadi mau. Sorry, kalau sorry berarti dia tidak mau. Jadi kalau tidak mau, ya sorry, maaf, kemudian bla bla bla. Ini ungkapkan alasannya, ya, alasannya apa kok tidak mau. Sure, tentu, ini mau, ya. With pleasure, dengan senang hati, mau juga. Yes, he will. Yes, I will. Ini mau, ya. Certainly, tentu, ini juga punya makna mau. Okay, everybody, that's all about expressing willingness, expressing unwillingness, and asking willingness, and the response. Mudah-mudahan jelas, ya, dan bermanfaat bagi kalian. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye. See you next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.